Welcome to this Java tutorial by Johnson Mercy. I hope you'll enjoy it. What's happening, friends? Welcome to my ninth tutorial on Java database connectivity. And here I can remember I promised in the last tutorial that I will code the submit button in such a way that whenever you submit your form, it picks the ID, the employee ID automatically from your database and insert it in your JCombo box that holds the employee ID automatically without you having to having to queue the running process of your program to start it again for you to see what you have inserted, which is very, very amateur and not especially good. Okay, now we have to just double click the submit button to take us to the place, because it is actually after submitting that should happen. So if the submission is successful, that is the time it should get the ID and insert it into the combo box. So how then should we do that? I think we should go back to our database class and create some more utility methods to help us do that. So here I'll have public static static results set get emp ID. Okay, so here do it normal result set equals to null. Here try catch. Okay, ex.print stack trace. So I'll get my connection first, equal to get connection, then statement state equals to on create statement. Okay, set set is equal to state the execute query. So here is the most important thing we need to do, that is the SQL statement here. So we have to remember what we have to select here is the employee ID. That's what we need. Alright, whenever we submit, take the employee ID, insert it into the combo box that holds employee ID. So we have to say here select emp underscore ID from employees, where emp ID is equal to, okay, but then I now remembered something. We need to make it equal to something. This simply means select employee ID, because whenever the thing is successful, the insert is successful and it's already in our database, we would want to select the IP from there and then insert it into the combo box. Now, after a successful insert, just pick the ID, select the ID from employee, where the ID is equal to that same ID that was populated immediately. So we need no other one to avoid selecting the wrong one, or probably selecting the one that was formerly there. We just need the one we inserted. So we need to get the ID string ID, just string ID. So we'll pass the ID that was populated that is in this class. If we call on that, we'll pass this main pin into it as an argument. So say when it is equal to ID. Okay. That is, select employee ID from employees, where employee ID is equal to that same ID that was populated immediately we insert. The same ID that was populated while inserting the record into the database. So lastly, we return set. Okay, I'm good to go here. So I'll go back to my main class and say if this is greater than or equal to 1, which means it is successful. Okay, then what we need to do here is to declare a result set object that should get what the get emp ID is returning. Remember, it's returning a result set object also. So it's equal to database dot get emp ID. So what we need to do here now is to give it the main pin, because the pin here doesn't have the main one. It is the main pin that has the main pin that we need to use. So after that, let's say if, because we need just one one pin here. So if we use while, it will just go ahead and select more and more of them. Just one pin, the one we inserted while inserting the result. So sorry, the one that was generated while inserting the result. So say if set dot next. Oh, I think I need to try and catch here. Okay, try and catch. Print stack trace. All right, so if this that has next, I'll say emp id combo dot add item. Set dot get string. So if at all the result set is coming up with something, it is true, then add that item, that is item from the 4th column, which is the employee ID. Get it and add it into our JCombo box. Now let's run our program and register an employee to see what happens. Okay. Say Johnson Moore, date of birth 18th. Don't select the picture. Open. Okay. Let's create this. Successful. Uh-oh. It's like I've got an error. Let me see what has just happened. Oh, I'm not supposed to do this. I forgot. You see, in the database, it is here selecting just one record. When you say select emp ID from employee, where this is equal to this, it's just coming with one data. So I'm not supposed to say go to the 4th column, because already it's coming with one thing already. So it doesn't need to locate the colon. We've already done the location here. Alright, so it doesn't need any location of anything here. So We just need to say get string, and that's all. So I'll close this and run again. Alright. James. Oh, I've got a call. Sorry, that was an important call, but taking care of it. It's alright. So let's continue. More date of birth. Just give that a date of birth and select any picture I want, any picture I want. The beautiful lady's picture. Is that right? Let's just submit. I think I'm done, so I'll just submit. Previously, uh, I had less than. I think I had less than. Let me check my database first. Okay, let me add again. So I'm a little bit confused here. Mary Moore, maybe the wife of James Moore. Two. It's a perfect picture for Mary Moore. So let me submit that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, I have more. 1. So, of course, it is updating live. Why don't you just add more? Let me say James Moore Jr., maybe the son of James Moore, and browse for a picture and add me. All right, and put it there and see. It is updating live, which is most importantly what you need. So it is very okay. It's running very, very perfect. So I'm very, very happy that this is running very, very perfect. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. So in the next tutorial, we'll do some more things. Thanks for watching.